Hi, this is Mrs. Conley here to show you how to take advantage of some of the command features in the equation mode and formula mode of Kami. So once I launch my Kami extension from my extension toolbar in Chrome browser, I'm going to go ahead and open up a new blank page. So from here, you can either select a blank page or a grid page, probably for one of these purposes. I'm going to go ahead and select grid in case we have to plot some graphs. And now I'm in Kami. So what you want to do first is make sure that you're in equation mode. And I complained to some of you guys about this the other day, but you want to change the color here because you can't really see that light gray on your screen. So now that I have a color that I can see, I'm going to go ahead and click anywhere on the document to populate that input box, and I'm ready to go. So in order to take advantage of subscripts in Kami, you can go ahead and start typing your formula. I'm just going to do H2O again. So I'm going to do my H, and then to get the subscript, I'm going to go ahead and click the button Shift minus, and you'll see that the cursor drops to that low field. I can go ahead and put my 2, and in order to bring that cursor back up to my regular plane for typing, I'm going to go ahead and click the space bar. And you'll see that the cursor is raised back to the normal field, part of the field. So that was Shift minus. So let's go ahead and do the next one. So if I want to do a superscript, say I'm working with exponents with my students, I can go ahead and start typing. And I want to bring that cursor to that elevated field. So I'm going to do Shift plus a number 6. And you'll notice that that cursor is elevated now. I can go ahead and type in my exponent. And again, I'm going to click that space bar to bring it back down to the regular part of the field. Last but not least, the fraction shortcut. I can go ahead and start to type my fraction. So I have my numerator, and all you have to do is click that / button. And within the equation mode, you're going to see that it recognizes that I want to create a fraction. So I can just finish my fraction there and put my denominator. If you are in text box mode, these commands are also available. I'll go ahead and select red. What you're going to do is click on anywhere in the document where you want your text box to reside. And then you're going to go ahead and click this formula button. And this is going to change modes a little bit here so that Kami will recognize those commands that we just discussed for the subscript, superscript, and fraction. So you can see the little box populated within the text. So let's just go ahead and put another exponent. So if I do 3, Shift 6 to elevate that cursor again, 2. You'll notice that there's a little box within the text box. Once I go out of this mode, Kami will not recognize the equations that the commands rather that I give it. So this may be if you want to put some information about exponents, give them some additional information within the same chunk of data. So again, I was in text box mode. I clicked on formula, and that gave me the ability to use those commands. So I hope this helps and that everyone's doing well. Have a wonderful weekend.